Wagwan everybody, I hope everybody is keeping safe, being that you know it's a now it's in so many countries, the COVID-19 virus. Well, today I'm going to show you again how to make a very easy recipe, guys, with eggplant. We're going to make eggplant curry with potatoes, and before I get into it, we're going to make the tomato sauce, right guys? Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, comment, like our videos, share our videos, guys. I really do appreciate all of you who are subscribing, who are stopping here to watch at this time. Thank you so much. For persons who are always commenting, guys, I'm just showing you a lot of love. I hope everybody again keeping safe, washing your hands, keeping away from other people who are contaminated with the virus so you don't get it. Yeah, so let's get started. All right, I've gone ahead and pureed 3 medium-sized tomatoes ahead of time. So we're going to cut up the onions. And I do find when making potato curry, guys, that it is so easy, guys, and it is so nutritious. As long as you get the herbs right in it, you don't have a thing to worry about. And again, it's such an easy way to use up eggplant for persons who don't usually incorporate eggplants in their diet. Now this is a way you can do it, because this recipe, guys, like I said, is super easy to make, super tasty. You'll enjoy it. You can carry it for lunch or even dinner, and just a way of using up all your vegetables. Alright, we're adding some oil now to the pot. Right now we're going to go ahead now and add the onions. And what we're going for, we want the onions to be a little bit translucent before adding the tomato sauce, right? Try not to burn your onions. Alright, so we're gonna add the tomato now. Alright, so the herbs of choice is cumin, fennel. We're going to be using also 2 cardamom and coriander. So we're going to grind them. When you grind these, the flavor release a little better when you're cooking. And we don't want to cut them too small, so like I think that size is enough. You can give them a quick rinse before you cook them in the pot. And the eggplant have a thing, it's easy to change color, so that's why I'm going to choose to put that in closer to when these halfway through cook, right? Alright, so let's move over to the pot now because we're going to saute the herbs. And I think ginger, oh my god guys, ginger goes well in basically any dish that I'm cooking. I mean, it's such an amazing flavor. Alright, while the pot heating up again so the herbs can cook in there, we're going to peel the potatoes. And one of the reasons why I'm doing the potato now is because the potato take a little while to cook. I don't want to put the eggplant in there and it mush out too much, and the potato take long to cook while the both of them is in there, right? So this is the reason why I'm adding it now to the pot. Alright, we're gonna add some oil again. You can make that heat up a little. Alright, followed by some mustard seed. And as soon as all of those start to pop a bit, we're going to add the herbs that we beat together earlier. Alright, you want to be careful at this point because the mustard seed is just popping all over the place. You don't want it to burn you, right? We're going to toast some turmeric as well. Followed by the ginger and garlic. And the aroma, guys, I always talk about the aroma, but my god, all of these fresh herbs just come together really nice. We're gonna add some tomato sauce. The potatoes. You can let those cook, right? Alright guys, we're gonna add some salt because me almost forget about the salt, you know. So with this, I think some coconut rice would look so nice and taste so nice with this. So we're going to cook up some rice now. And you salt to taste, you add the salt to taste, right? For optimal flavor, guys, you can add some vegetable stock. No, me never have no vegetable stock, so me just add like about half cup of water. So we're just gonna leave this and cook up the rice and come back. Remember, halfway through these potato being cooked, we add the eggplant. Alright, we're gonna add some scallion to the rice pot right now. And the reason why I didn't add more than scallion is because the eggplant curry having all the herbs, you don't want to have too much going on with the rice, right? But more than coconut. So we're gonna add the coconut milk now. Let that cook for a little while. You can add some salt and a cinnamon leaf. Alright, we can add the rice now. I've added 2 cups of rice, guys, and like about 2 and a little bit of water, coconut milk with water. Now to the curry, I'm gonna be cutting up some mint leaves. Yes, you hear right. I think the mint leaves kind of complement the herbs and the eggplant and potato. So we're just gonna sprinkle a little on the top. Alright guys, everything is finished cooking. Please remember guys, if you give any of my recipes any try, please remember to tag us in our Instagram and or on Facebook, Jamrock Vegan. So let me share out some for you guys now. And trust me, this tastes so good. So I have our coconut rice here. See? With our eggplant potato curry. Trust me guys, this tastes so good. All the herbs and the potato didn't get too mushy, the eggplant didn't get too mushy, and we have a ton of gravy, which I like. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Until next time, bye.